picked a great day to stop by my channel. I am so pumped to show you my latest project. It is going to bring a smile to your heart. Welcome everybody to Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited this channel before, it is so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, do crafts, and create DIYs. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment below, let me know what you think, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get to this Fall-bulous wreath. For this project, you're going to need some mesh in your favorite fall colors, some burlap, a door hanger, a round wire wreath form, some fall picks, some fall flowers, your glue gun, some scissors, and some chenille stems. All of these supplies are from Dollar Tree with the exception of the burlap. That's from Hobby Lobby. Okay, all our supplies are ready. Let's go make a wreath. These round wire forms are broken up into 6 sections. We're going to cover each of these sections with these burlap and mesh bows. We're going to need 4 bows in each section for a total of 24 bows. We're going to need 24 6-inch pieces of the burlap, 24 6-inch pieces of the multi-mesh, and 8 6-inch pieces of the solid color. I've already cut up my yellow ones. So we're going to cut up the rest of the green, and we're going to measure them out to 6 inches. The burlap, the multi, and then the green. So we're going to measure these out to 6 inches. And we don't have to be exact, but we do want to try and line them up. And we cut all 3 of them at the same time. And once we've cut them, then we're going to be making our bows. And we're going to get each piece and roll it. Roll it up, and we're going to hold it in the middle, and we're going to get our solid color, and we're going to roll that without letting go of the one we already rolled. And you're going to pinch those 2 together in the middle and hold on to them. And then your burlap, we're going to kind of just pinch in the middle like a fan. We're not rolling this one. And you're going to pinch it in the middle and place it behind your mesh. And then you're going to take one of your chenille stems that I cut in half, and you're going to wrap it. So you're going to twist it to the back, bring your burlap and mesh forward, and just twist it. Okay, and there you have your burlap and mesh bow. Looks a little crazy right now, but when you put them all together, they look really full and really pretty. And you don't have to worry about these hanging. That kind of just gives it a little bit more character, but if you want to cut them off, you can do that, or just pull them off. Okay, so we're going to continue with our bows, and then we're going to attach them to our wreath form. Now that we have all our bows cut out, we're going to put them onto the wreath, and we're going to be placing them in these 2 middle rows all the way around. So we're going to start with the 2nd row, and we're going to alternate 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd. So we're going to start with the green, and we're going to place it on the 2nd row by tying it through and twisting it in the back. And you want to twist it tight to keep it secure. So that's green. Then we're going to get the orange, and that's going to go on the 3rd row next to that one, but on the opposite row. So we're going to get that, and we're going to slide it over and twist it. And there we have the orange. So green, orange. And now we're going to get the yellow. And that's going to go on the 2nd row. And we're going to twist our tie. And now we're going to get a green and put that one on the 3rd row. And we're going to twist and tie. See how full that looks already? So we're going to do this all the way around in the green, orange, yellow, green pattern. Once I tied all the bows onto the wreath, I really wanted to use this Thankful and Blessed pumpkin sign in the center, but it ended up being too big. I looked through my stash and I found this box that I bought at the Dollar Tree that says Welcome Fall, and decided to use it instead. I poked a hole into each end of the box and used the chenille stems to attach it to the wreath. I placed it just above the center of the wreath and attached it securely with the chenille stems. Here I'm tying the ends of the chenille stems together so that the wreath lays flat against the door and the wires don't scratch the surface. I'm also adding hot glue to the box and the chenille stems for a more secure hold. For this wreath, I chose the large mums in yellow and orange, and after arranging them to my liking, I glued them into place. I added some butterscotch colored hydrangeas to opposite sides of the wreath. I used 2 bunches of the cream-colored mini mums and pomegranates and placed them on opposite sides of the wreath. I made a hanger using brown satin ribbon. I tied it securely to the wreath in a double knot, and then I knotted it at the top and cut it at about 3 inches. Look at that, everybody. Doesn't that just make your fall-loving heart happy? If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more Hearts and Crafts with Anna. In the comments below, post the picture of your fabulous decor, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!